I've got something really cool for you today. My major sponsor, YesWelder, has sent me these auto darkening goggles, and I'm going to tell you about why you should have a pair of these in your tool repertoire. Let's take it out of the box. Comes in a nice protective bag. Inside the box, you've got your manual. You've got a replacement battery for the to power the auto darkening, because this is not a solar powered one. That's all that's in the box. So let's take it out of the bag and see what we got. Now, it comes with a snap-on face shield. These are goggles. Take it out of the bag the rest of the way. I've already taken the protective plastic off it. So you've got the goggles themselves, and they, like I said, are auto darkening. On this side, you have an on-off switch. On this side, you have several controls. You have shade here from minimum to max will be from like 9 up to 13. You have sensitivity and you have delay. Now, you will have to set these settings to your liking, but as a rule of thumb, you need at least 10 on the shade for MIG welding, so that's going to be over here just below max a little bit, probably about 3/4. So you call that 10, then 11, then 12. So that's max, and the sensitivity and the delay, you can put them wherever you want. It's 102 degrees, so I'm not going to put it on. But you can be like this, and the problems that you avoid is bumping your helmet on things. Like if you need to get up inside a trunk or up under a dash, you're not going to be bumping your head. Now, I have a face shield snapped on there. It snaps in 4 places on here, and I will have my lower face protected from sparks and such. And still, up here, oops, and popped it, but up here you will be you won't have the helmet to bump up against stuff. As I said before, this is our major sponsor, YesWelder, and they offered to provide one of these for a giveaway. So the link is in the description in order to enter the contest to win this. It's the same entry rules as the welder, the DP200. So go to that link and it will take you to a video on how to enter to win. Once again, the YesWelder auto darkening goggles with the snap-on face shield. Enter to win. Please touch my like thingy, share my shizzle, and subscribe, damn it!